Did you know your brain tricks you into thinking whatever you're focused on right now is way more important than it actually is? It's called the focusing illusion. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman proved this with a famous study about California. People assumed Californians were happier because of the sunny weather, but when researchers actually measured happiness levels, Californians weren't any happier than anyone else. The trick was that thinking about weather made it seem like the most important factor for happiness, when really it's just one tiny piece. This happens everywhere. You think about getting a raise, and suddenly money feels like the key to everything. You focus on a college's ranking and ignore whether you'd actually like studying there. You fixate on one annoying habit your partner has and forget all their good qualities. Even making pros and cons lists can backfire because whatever column you're writing becomes temporarily overweighted in your mind. Here's the fix. Before any big decision, force yourself to consider at least 5 different factors. Set a timer for each one. That's how you escape the focusing illusion.